Yeah. Huh? Oh, what's up, bro? What's up? What's up? How are you doing? I'm doing great. I just got a notification from my phone. Let me check it. Tornado warning. Oh no. You know what this means? Yeah. I know what it means. Go, 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 go! Let's go! Go to the TIV too! Okay, there we go. Hey, Melon, wait up. Oh. Okay, going. Yeah. Ow! Let me... Okay. Ah. Okay. Okay. I'm just gonna pull this lever. Open up garage. Woohoo! I'm excited to go on this TIV too. Melon. Yeah. Wait, you said my name, right? That was a mistake. Whatever. Okay. Yeah. It's only one. Okay, I'll be watching from the top. I'll be watching from your bedroom window, okay? Alright. Yeah. Ow. Yeah. Bro, his stairs. That's better. Okay. Watching. All right. Time to sit down. All right. I'm excited to go on the sting. Okay. Go. Bro, go. Just go. Bro, this thing won't work. There we go. Go down. Sorry. Put down the first bar. Put down the second bar. There we go. Third bar. The third one. Layer down that one. The final one. That one. Okay. I am ready. All right, let's go. Wait, I need to close the garage. go. Whoa, what's that rumbling? Whoa! Come by. Wow! Ouch! You're bad in your car. You're. Wait, I didn't see it. I was watching that. No, that was sick. I need a cough. Yo, that was sick, dude. Yeah. Okay. Ding. Lift up. That's nice. Time to lift up this first one. Pull it back up. That's nice. Okay, time to get out of this car. I mean, this TIV 2. Well, it's not kind of a car, but it's like a tornado inspector. Yeah. Okay. Coming down. Oh, wait. Oh. Okay. Yeah. Ow. Ow, my leg, my feet. Regross, please. Ah, that's nice. I'm coming. Ow. Yo. Oh, you're down? Ow. My legs. Let me use regross like you. Oh man, now I have shorts. Yo. Your blanket fell off. Who cares if my blanket falls off? I mean, I could just put it back. Yo, why's that over there? Wait, I'm coming. Okay. That's cool, actually. Yeah. Actually, it's super duper cool.
The end.